welcome to Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla. I'm Darla and this is Peggy. So I have a few things to talk to you about, and I want to get some suggestions or insight from you on a couple of things. I have 2 crochet items finished, and I have 1 crochet WIP. Alright, so first of all, Peggy is wearing my latest top design. It starts at the neckline. You'll have 2 choices of necklines. You work in the round, in one piece, all the way down. It grows wider and longer as you make it. So I'll link the tutorial below for this one. I made it in 3 different yarn weights, and I show that in the video. So yeah, 1 piece in the round. Should make all sizes because it grows at wider and longer, as I said. And same with this one. I have a tutorial on this one as well. So if you would like to check that out, I will put the link below if you haven't seen those yet. Okay, so I showed you this blanket a while back. It's just a granny square blanket, baby blanket, that I made with some beautiful yarn that the lovely Terry sent me. Thank you again, Terry. I love this yarn. It's just so pretty. Oh, and it's soft. All right, so this yarn, I'll just recap it really quick. This is UK yarn. If you can hear that, they're cutting down trees down the street. Sorry about that. It's Knitting Essentials, double knitting, and I thought maybe this was a 4-weight yarn because it doesn't really say. And some of you guys told me, no, double knitting means DK, so it's like a 3-weight here in America, North America. So now I know, and thank you so much. Actually, I knew that, but I forgot. But I thank you guys for reminding me. That's why I love you guys so much. All right, so this colorway is, it says bright pink. So on the label said pink for the same colorway. 50 grams, 100% acrylic. So the lovely Terry sent me 3 in the beginning, and I used all 3 for this blanket. I did not follow a tutorial or anything. There's lots out there. It's just a granny square, big granny square. All right, so the next thing, Terry sent me 6 more of these. Oh my gosh. She's so generous. Thank you so much. So I made a sweater. Now this sweater is not my own design. This is made by Crochet for Baby. I'll put the specific link to this tutorial below. It's not perfect. I followed the tutorial almost all the way through. But okay, I'll just show it to you. It's adorable. And I made it out of the same yarn, the same color. See, I put too many single crochets there, so it's a little longer. I made it a little longer on one side, I think, but it's not that noticeable. And whoever the little one is that wears it is not gonna notice. But what I need from you, well, first of all, let me show you this beautiful stitch. This stitch is very, very similar to the one I used in this top. Very, very similar, almost identical, but not quite. And so that is the front. And then let me just back up here, straddling my chair. This is like this right here. That's the front, and then the back. It's like a coat of many colors. And I had these little buttons I had bought for something else. They're like, I got the buttons at Michael's. They're little flower shapes. So I put those on there. Now, my question to you is, and I know you guys can help me. I've never had children. I've never been pregnant. So, let me just give you the measurements of this and tell me what age child this would fit. Because I really don't know. And I don't know what hook I use. I can't remember what hook I used. Isn't that weird? You have your hook in your hand for like 4 days. You put it away. It's like, which one did I use? Oh, anyway, so shoulder to shoulder. So from about here to here is 12.5 inches, 12.5. And then from the top of the neck to the end of the sleeves is about 13.5. And across the chest area from here to here, right under the arms, is 12 inches, so it would be 24 around. And then from the neck, top of the neck here to the very bottom is 16.5. Maybe you can just tell how I'm holding it up, what age it would fit. I don't know. Anyway, I'm not sure, but I would like to know. I tried to go by a chart that I saw online, but it didn't make a lot of sense to me. So how old is this for? What age child? Now I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, will it fit me? No. No, the girls would take up too much material. All right, so I used, what did I use? I used 3. I used 3 of these to make this blanket, and I used 3 to make this little cardigan. Alrighty. Now I have another question for you guys. First of all, the lovely Terry sent me 6 of these. Oh, Terry, thank you so much. All right, so these are Knitting Essentials double knitting as well. 100% acrylic, 50 grams. So that's also a DK. Thanks to you guys, I know that. I forgot, but now hopefully it'll stay in here. So she sent me 6. I'm designing something on the fly, like I do so often. And I'm wondering also, this is also baby, like a baby dress or baby, I guess if you make it white, it could be a christening gown, a smock, I don't know what you call it. But I started on the second ball. So this is it. Isn't that like, I don't know, like whoever's gonna wear this is gonna be like, it's gonna be like one of those look at me kind of outfits. I think it will draw attention. But anyway, so it's gonna be like a dress or something. So for this one, I'm actually using what is suggested on the label, which is a 4mm crochet hook. Yes, I'm actually using the correct size. Quite often I'll go up a size or 2, just like this one, and this one, just to make it more lacy and breezy. So anyway, this is what I'm making. So let me tell you the measurements of this one. So I just measured this from here to here, where the shoulders will go, and that's 9 inches. And then from the neck, where the baby's neck will be, down to the bottom, so far I have 9 inches as well. So what size baby would this be for, and how much longer should I make it for the baby? And this is also worked in the round top to bottom, one piece. Yeah. I know it's a little hard to see the stitches, but if you guys want a tutorial on this, I mean, this is working out fast. I started this last night. I worked on it a little bit this morning, and I probably am close to being done. So I could do a tutorial on this for, you know, for this size, because I don't want to be making a bunch of sizes, because I don't know what size children wear really. But I could also maybe, I mean, this would be really cute as maybe Mummy and Mini Me, you know, make a top for ladies, and then one for a little baby, but in a different color than this. What do you think? Is that a good idea? And I'm gonna make a fashion scarf to match this top. The other one I have showed in that video with the 2-weight yarn. I made a little fashion scarf to go with that one, so I'm going to do a little tutorial for that this coming week. This is already Friday, and yeah, so it'll be coming out this coming week. So what do you think? Should I make a Mummy and a Mini Me outfit, matching tops in different, like not this color, but because it kind of loses the stitch definition, I think. So I'd probably make it maybe in a solid colors. What do you guys think? I have so many questions for you. So I think that's it. That's it. I just want to show you that blanket again. I'm using Terry's yarn that she sent me. I love it when people send me yarn. It's like, oh my gosh, I don't have this yarn. I've never bought it. You know, it's never been gifted to me, and I want to work with it. So I try to use the yarns right away. Although Terry sent me some other yarn, the loopy yarn. I haven't tried that yet, Terry. And there's another baby yarn she sent me, and I haven't tried that one yet either. But yeah. So yeah, I want to show you the sweater. What age would this be for? Are the sleeves long enough for whatever age you tell me? Do I have to make them longer? And what would the age for this little one be? And I guess that's it. So thank you so much for joining me today, and have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. I hope you can't hear that too loudly. But anyway, I got my window open because it's a beautiful day here in Winnipeg. Oh, comfortable, beautiful, sunny day. All right, you guys, have a wonderful weekend. Take care of yourselves, and God bless you. Bye-bye.